When your toddler isn't talking yet, it can feel scary, but there are simple things you can do every day at home to help build their language. Let me show you a few gentle, easy strategies. When your toddler points or makes a sound, that's your moment to build language. You don't need to correct them, just go one step up. If they point and say nothing, you say one word, cup. If they say one word, then you model two. More cup. Each time you stretch their words just a little, you're helping their brain grow. It's gentle, it's natural, and it works best when you follow their lead. Simple words, warm tone, one step up. That's how speech begins at home. Sometimes the best way to help your toddler talk is to wait. After you say a word or ask a question, pause. Give them space to think, to look at you, to try a sound. That quiet moment, those three little dots, tell your child, I'm listening. You can take your time. When you pause on purpose, you're showing patience. And that's what helps words find their way out. Speech grows best in the everyday moments. Bath time, snack time, getting dressed. Each one is a chance to talk. Name what you see, describe what you're doing, repeat simple words again and again. Instead of asking, what's this? Say, car. Just say it yourself, car. Red car, vroom. When you model instead of quiz, you take away the pressure. Your child feels safe and words starts to flow naturally. Your toddler is already showing you what matters most. You just have to follow their lead. When they point, look, or play, join in. Talk about what they're doing, not what you think they should do. When you follow their lead, you're saying, I see you, I hear you. Your words matter. That's how connection becomes communication. You don't need fancy toys or long lessons to help your toddler talk. You just need time, patience, and love. Every smile, every pause, every simple word builds their world. So keep talking, keep listening, and keep believing, because every word begins with you. Thank you for watching. Read, Make, Learn with Miss Stephanie. See you soon, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more videos like this.